Hello and welcome everyone. Imagine you are sitting at a platform waiting for a train. What if the person next to you wants to chat? Today video shows a natural conversation to help you with your spoken English. So let's start. Hi, are you waiting for the train too?
Yes, I am. Looks like it's late.
Oh no, do you know how late?
Maybe 10 minutes, no sure.
That's not too bad. Where are you going?
I am going to Delhi to see family, and you?
I am going to Jaipur to meet some friends.
Nice. Do you travel often?
Not really. I don't get much time. Do you?
Sometimes I like short trips.
Same here. Long trips can be tiring.
Yes, totally. Do you work or study?
I work in an office. What about you?
I am a teacher. I teach young kids.
Wow, that's nice. It must be a lot of work.
Yes, but it's fun. The kids are so cute.
I can imagine. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, a lot. Kids make every day interesting.
That's great. Do you live in Delhi?
No, I live nearby. I visit Delhi sometimes.
Oh, I see. Do you have family there?
Yes, my parents live there, so I visit them.
That's lovely. Family time is always nice.
Yes, it is. Are you from Jaipur?
No, but I love visiting it. This city is beautiful.
I agree. Jaipur has amazing place to see.
Yes, I also enjoy taking photos there.
Really? Are you a photographer?
No, just a hobby. I love capturing moments.
That's nice. Do you share your photos?
Sometimes with my friends. It's just for fun.
That's cool. Do you have any other hobbies?
I like reading. How about you?
Same here. I always carry a book with me.
Me too. Are you reading anything now?
Yes, a mystery novel keeps me entertained.
Sounds fun. I love mystery stories.
They are great, right? What do you read?
I enjoy self-help books. They are motivating.
Oh, that's nice. They are can be inspiring.
Yes, they give me new ideas.
Same. Do you travel alone often?
Yes, sometimes it's nice to explore alone.
True, and meeting people is fun like today.
Exactly. This chat made the wait easier.
Yes, I did. I hope our train comes soon.
Me too. Safe travels to Delhi.
And safe travels to you too. Enjoy Jaipur.
Thank you. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.